We thought we were going to die. It seemed like the sky was falling. It seemed like the walls were falling. It seemed like the ground was falling from beneath us. And just a second ago, we were lounging in this, hot summer afternoon in Beirut. Immediately after the explosion, there was quiet, to be honest. There were like a couple of seconds of quiet. And then we started hearing screaming from the street. I went down to the street and it was like hell on earth. People were just standing in the middle of the road, completely bloodied, having this look of shell shock on their face, having no idea what to do. Others were cramming family members in the back seat and just rushing to the hospital. Immediately, the streets were congested, and everybody had someone who was wounded in the car, and people did not know what to do. The scale of destruction was nothing like I had ever seen in my 30 years of existence in Beirut, in Lebanon.
The moment the explosion happened, I was exactly within 500 meters of the radiance of the core of the explosion. I had just finished my workout. The gym was full. I saw the upper floor collapsing on our heads, and I see everyone basically in blood from head to toe. Kids crying, women screaming. Moments like this, you just start saying God's name and hopes of the Almighty helping us in moments like this.